Hi, I'm William Metcalf. We've spent some time speaking about how blockchain works and how the technology might be useful to you, but you may not know how to use our product MultiBaas. So today I am going to walk you through an introduction to that platform and show you how to deploy a smart contract onto the Rinkeby test network. So let's get started. To deploy a smart contract using MultiBaas, you will need a Solidity smart contract, MetaMask or another Ethereum browser, and some Ethereum on the Rinkeby test network. I've prepared a sample Solidity smart contract. It will store and return a sentence. The default is hello MultiBaas, and it can be changed. MetaMask can be downloaded from metamask.io and installed as an extension in Chrome. To get some Ethereum on the Rinkeby network, you can visit faucet.rinkeby.io and follow the instructions. So let's go to curvegrid.com, click Get Started, and then enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Confirm that you are not a robot, and click Continue. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you agree to the terms and conditions, and click Get Started. Now you are on the console home screen, where you are able to create a new MultiBaas deployment. We're going to create a free deployment, and we'll give it a name. And we're going to do this on the Rinkeby test network. There, so now we have a new MultiBaas deployment, and the URL is here. It's being prepared for us right now, and we're going to go and check our email for login details. So here we have the link of the new instance, and we're just going to click on that. Yes, we can connect MetaMask to this account, and we'll just create a new password here. And click Submit. And now we're going to log into the new instance. So we notice here that there's a network mismatch. So I will come up here and connect MetaMask to Rinkeby, where I have some Ether already. Okay, so now we are going to go to the Contracts menu and select Contract. From here, we can see a number of contracts that are already included with the system, but we are going to go ahead and upload our contract by clicking New Contract, selecting the file, and clicking Open. So you'll see that we have a default name that it's been given, as well as a version. Both of those you can change. but we're going to leave them as is and click submit. And there we have our uploaded contract. So now we can deploy it on the Rinkeby network. First, we need to choose which address we're going to use to sign it. And MultiBaas has detected that this is an address that belongs in our MetaMask wallet. So I will click plus to add it and give it a label. We're going to call this main. And select it. And now we can deploy this contract onto the Rinkeby network. MetaMask has prompted us to confirm this transaction. So I'm going to hit confirm. And after the transaction has confirmed, we will see it appear in our system. So there we have it. The transaction is confirmed. And we can find the instance right here in the contracts menu. So this is the address that deployed the contract, which is the owner of it. And the phrase is hello MultiBaas. This is the control panel view, but we can also access this via the REST API. So we can click API docs, and for the phrase function, see the URL that we will need to call with the label of the contract address, hello MultiBaas. The contract name is also hello MultiBaas, and the method is phrase. First, to call this, we will need an API key. And to get that API key, we can come over to account and hit API keys. So we'll give this a label. We'll call this test and generate a key. We can copy this key, and using a program like Postman, we can access the URL directly. So first we will need to set the API token that we got. And then the URL is in the contracts API documentation. So we'll copy that from here. And we notice that this is a post request. And there are no arguments, so we can leave the body empty. And when we hit send, we should get the correct output, which is hello MultiBaas. So let's go back to this control panel. We can turn off the documentation. And we have the change phrase function here. So let's change this to hello Tokyo and click send. So we will also confirm this transaction using MetaMask and wait for its confirmation. The transaction is now being confirmed. And if we come here and call the method again, we'll see that the output has changed to hello Tokyo. And we'll also see it here in the control panel, hello Tokyo. And that's all there is to deploying a smart contract on MultiBaas. I hope you found that interesting. If you want to learn more, you can see our documentation on our website, curvegrid.com. And if you'd like to get in touch, you can email us at contact@curvegrid.com. Thank you very much for listening.